Hey guys, it's JNTech and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've last uploaded, but I hope to come back fully. My PC has changed a lot since we last spoke, and I'm going to continue that change with today's unboxing. My PC has changed a lot since we've last spoke, and it continues today with this video. Today, I have a Phanteks T30 120mm fan. It's a 30mm thick fan, and this is a 3-pack. People call this fan the best fan currently on the market, beating Noctua's NF-A12x25. Today I'm going to be unboxing it. Before we unbox this thing, we've got to go over the specs. So on the back, there's 3 fan profiles: Advanced, Performance, and Hybrid. The Advanced profiles RPM goes to a maximum RPM of 3000. The CFM goes for 101. Static pressure 7.11, and the dBA goes for 39.7. So as you can see here, it's a 120mm by 120mm by 30mm fan. It's a bit thicker than your normal fans. It's a 4-pin PWM, and this is the 3-pack. So it comes in this nice little foam box. So I've got something to tell you guys. I've already opened this box because I got a little bit too excited, and I already got a sneak peek of the fan. So we're just going to reopen it because why not? So cut the tape here, pull this tab out, and it opens. So inside, it shows how to switch the fan mode and its speed. It also shows you the included accessories. So there's 12 fan screws, 12 radiator screws, 12 radiator plus halo screws, which are a bit longer to accommodate the Phanteks halos, and it comes with 3 extension cables. Okay, ready guys? Here it is. Boom. It's basically like a gray Noctua, but better. We're just gonna get one out because all the rest are the same. So here you go. Take the fan out. Actually, we'll take the accessories out first. Here's the extension cable. Here are your screws. And here's the cable of the fan. So let me move this. So as you can see, the cables are really short. That's why they included this extension. So here's the fan. It's made out of a liquid crystal polymer plastic. So in the back says T30, and here you can see your fan mode switches. Here's a switch, and it's a 30mm thick fan, so it's thicker than your normal fans. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the fan. Now let's get to me installing it. I'm not going to show you the process because it's kind of a pain. Like I've said earlier in the video, my PC has changed quite a lot. Here's a picture of it before. If you guys want to see an updated video on my PC, let me know in the comments and make sure to leave a like. That would mean a lot. We're going to be installing the fan, and I'm going to be doing this one-handed. So place this here, get the screw. Yeah, I'm just going to do this off camera. I'll see you guys in a bit. So we've got the fan installed, and there's a reason why I'm only using 4 screws. That's because the side of the radiator is dented. I can get all 4 screws on one fan, but if I do that, I can only get 1 screw on this fan. So yeah, that's the reason why I only have 4 screws. So here it is, guys. I got everything installed. This is the fan. It barely fits. There's no cables touching the fan, which is great. I know cable management isn't the best, but it's what I can do in the Meshlicious. So yeah, if you guys wanted a update video of this PC, let me know in the comments, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe.